Blink blonk, it's Bobber O'Clonk. I have no idea what that was. Sorry. So, if you've been here long enough, you'll have noticed all the various Bob-themed crafts I've made. And yes, while none of them are perfectly on model, I do my best with all of them. And I make them with love for the Bobster. So, I guess that's enough for me. But as my comments have made me readily aware of, I'm not the only person who connects with Bobber on the level that I do. And since the only official piece of Bob memorabilia is a European exclusive, I figured it's only fair that I share the instructions of some of the Bobberts I've made myself, so you can have your own Bobberts to brighten up your home. Unfortunately, I'm unable to disassemble most of my Bobberts, so I can't really give you instructions for something like the plushies. The little LEGO Bobberts, however, I can, luckily. I'll start with the small guy. Here are the pieces you'll need, and they go together like this. I designed this to be in scale with minifigures. Unfortunately, this does leave a little to be desired with shaping and also some of the more general detailing, but I can't really think of a better way to improve it, and I have tried some other methods over the years. Now, onto the big guy. Significantly bigger, significantly more accurate, and significantly more out of scale with LEGO Matt Smith. It's a shame. Anyways, sadly I can't give as accurate of instructions for this guy as he was made with just whatever parts I had lying around, so if you look inside, it's just anarchy. So what I'm going to do instead is just show it from various angles in various states of disassembly, so you can get, the general idea of how it's put together and do so yourself. I'm not gonna lie, just any sort of parts that wind up making the same sort of exterior shape will work fine, just as long as you get the gist. And that's everything. I hope I didn't disappoint you too much, and I hope even more so that you now have your very own little robo-buddy to keep you company. So with that all said, good night. I hope you're enjoying your year of 2EG so far, and I think it's important to remember that Bobber overcame his suicidal impulses, and you can too.